That's a good boy. That's a good boy.
Yeah, we might need to set his garbage beyond his car over there. He's in the
Behind the van?
Yeah, where the garbage man can see it. Just so he don't get missed.
Okay. I can do that. You stay there now.
You're the best little baby kid.
Yeah, stay right there.
You gotta take him off his head too. Don't get him catching him on the leg. Have a box in there.
You have another trash bucket, or do you just have one bucket?
Oh, there's 2 buckets back there. You can grab one.
Can I grab one?
Yeah.
Well, there's
Garbage.
A sausage egg McMuffin from Circle K, and
probably better than what I got this morning.
I don't know about that.
Mine was terrible. Levi wouldn't even eat it.
Oh, no, that's bad.
The chickens did, though.
Tore up that Jack Man's hot beef steak though.
This camera's kind of scooting up a little bit. Alright. Alright, good days. Good days. Come on, Levi. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Freon's coming out. The compressor will get cold, so it'll fill up freon. We can see this. Just the top one. Actually, gotta cut them both. Personality, lucked out. Did he ever stop barking at your brother-in-law?
A vacuum, not well, like a vacuum, old vacuum or an old VCR or something. Takes a little bit of know-how, but it can be wired up to 110 volts, plug directly into a power outlet like in your garage, and be used as a floor fan.
And it'll blow more air than anything you could ever get.
It will too. The thing is you got to make sure that it's, you know, once it's ready to go, it's not drawn over amperage. And for protection, I'd figure out some sort of screening put over the holes here.
That guy's
that's
the
where
old
it's going
South.
to draw its air from. And you don't want it drawing paper.
The guy's the old
screws,
South with the junk
wire,
man at
anything like
the tie
that might
box.
be loose
He
on
put
the
one of them big fans on a chair, on a swivel chair
But
to
honestly,
roll
that's
around.
the only thing that would
You get that thing turned on?
This up here is a heat
Well,
exchanger.
unplug itself.
Yeah, I've seen people hook them up and they roll across the room.
Levi. Levi, you cute little thing. Yeah, let me have that.
If it ever has an issue or it burns or anything like that, see, like this one's super long. So what I'll do, but if anything ever happens or you change it out again,
You can trim it.
you know it's Otherwise, you end up having to change it all out. Rugs. What happens when you get all those out?
How's it going?
Going.
Going. Yeah, this looks good. All right. So he's got to reconnect the duck. Did a good job.
That's energy drink, right?
Yep. No, I don't get the Mr. Beast monsters either.
Which one?
Oh, they have a new drink. It's called Mr. Beast.
I don't do I can't do the monster drink. I get too jittery. I get all jittery. Got my cup of coffee.
See, I can't drink coffee. Well, I can. In my dry sheet, I use a marker.
The lid to that mastic, that'll make a mess.
I got some on my arm.
Yeah, it doesn't like to come off. Putting stuff over there. No bills.
Okay. And you can still do that, but I always ask.
Golf cart batteries, Dad. They cost $1,000 to put new golf cart batteries in your thing.
I know, because there's 6 of them. And they're like 200 each,
Yeah.
if not more.
8.
But there's a
Whips.
battery graveyard, and it's really bad. The battery graveyard, the most toxic place on earth.
No, my bathroom is. It's because of the water there. I mean, it's
I know. Almost done. We get the flute pipe, solder, drain line, gas line, permits posted. We got to have a 25 amp breaker to change out from a 30, and then it'll be ready for inspection. And that's a wrap.
Yep, there you go.
So I don't have to worry about it anymore.
Right there, yeah. There you go, baby doggy. We got 2 ceiling fans in here's the garage. Ryan, you're doing a fine job with that mastic. A fine job.
He's a hell of a painter, I could use that.
Got a paint job lined up for you, Ryan.
You know what he told me the other day? He says, you know how to not get paint on yourself when you're painting? Turn your shirt inside out.
There
You'll
you
never
go.
see it.
There you go. I know, because look, I got paint. I know I got paint on this thing. We got like 3 shirts we ruined with paint. I'm a messy painter.
It's got inverted bins, so I'm having a good time playing with it. I always like using benders. Less solder joints, the better.
You got it wrapped around your foot. Come here. Come here. Come here. I'll help you. Oops. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Yeah, the
Come here.
ones I used to have, it was,
There.
actually, I started out with
There
the
you go.
big ones that look like my little one there. When you lock it on there, it's got handles this long.
Yeah,
Yeah, those are obsolete nowadays.
yeah.
They actually got them color coded now, so you don't mess up and use the wrong thing.
Oh yeah. It's in your warranty. That's always good. Looking fine, Ryan. That looks great. I like the mirror behind there. I can
He
see.
got more mastic on him, and he got paint on him, painting the whole wall.
He didn't get none on his shirt though, so that's good. Or his pants. Well, he did get a little touch on his pants.
No, that's cold paint.
Oh,
I like my Roll King
And
britches.
go find some 3/4 on the foot.
Roll King got some good
britches
stuff.
are-
Ow, that's hot.
They're good pants, and they're cheap.
You handed one of them wet rags out of there? Inside the torches? Wet rag? It's wet, real wet. You just get it ready for him to put on there.
You can hit that with wet rag.
Don't touch it now.
Which is nice, I got entertainment for my neighbors. That should always
Just
like
like they can.
That's as close as I want to be. Lift your handle and pull out.
Handle lifted. There you go.
Watch out for his fingers. Slam his fingers.
It looks like an ice cream cone there.
You trying to lick it?
You
So-
to be having a beard like mine.
The beard is gone. Well, it's still there, but
It was a lot longer.
Yeah.
We we treated him to a nice haircut a
I
couple
was
days.
scared. So
Haircut?
yeah,
Ain't nothing to him.
I know. I ain't been there in 30 years. Yeah, you got me all presentable.
You don't never
Straighten
change
this
it.
out.
Halfway through the straight there.
No, hair growth.
Hair growth.
I got enough magic powers.
Crescent branch. Got another one here somewhere.
Yep. Oh, that is tight.
Yeah, but I don't like moving.
Okay.
This now
Did the vanity
Arrow
get
fall.
changed?
Arrow.
That pushed it out?
Mm-hmm.
goes down.
Okay.
I don't know.
That's what it looks like. Somebody put a deeper vanity in there
In there?
and it pushed
Yep.
it out.
Easy peasy.
Oh my God. So we don't have to
I'll
do
do
it.
it from now on, though.
Oh, thanks.
That's it. One finger.
So what I could do, about the best thing I could do with it,
Wow.
is like maybe try to put a piece of duckboard
So
around it.
nothing inside
That was my
anymore.
Nope, that one actually has to come. Should
Because
come
that
out. Of
duckboard's
there.
1.5 inch.
That one actually needs to come
I
out.
can put it
And
then
around
you can
there
do-
and then mask
You
it
change
out
your
to
filter
the
right
wall.
here from now on.
You got
That one up
anything?
there, you don't worry about.
Just leave the hole open and everything
Yep.
that's up
Okay,
there.
little
Yep,
zippies.
because it's still gonna, as far as,
A little zippy to hold this back so I can do what I want to do without it moving.
screws or zip
No,
ties?
zip ties.
I got my black ones.
Yeah, look like that. I started this way because I want to be sure we're not coming out here in the middle of the night.
Let me know when you shut that water off, Ryan.
It's off. Yeah, he's got to leave that out. So when he first
Oh
fit
wow,
it,
yeah.
all this little goop come out. Then after it ran a while, these big chunks started flying out of it. As
It
clean
might
as
have
a
been
whistle.
plugged, yeah, it might have been plugged.
Clean now.
I did.
Well, what
fix,
happens
but-
is that pipe is this big around.
Yeah.
So through the years, it builds up. Eventually, you only got a hole this big in the middle of that pipe.
What
to
happened
drain.
was it stopped cooling, and therefore it wasn't creating any humidity and moisture in there. So that's why I come out and I tried to evacuate, and it didn't indicate anything, and nothing else came out of it.
Yeah, when I
So
sucked it out
chances are it was
originally,
plugged.
when I
Yeah,
sucked
this
it out
morning
with
it was
the
clean.
vacuum originally, it was clean.
Yeah.
The water was clean.
Yep.
But that's why we pour that chemical in there.
Cleaner.
It's a coil cleaner basically, and we pour it in there when we first start and let it sit throughout the whole job.
I don't know what that is. That was
It really
That
cleans
way-
it good.
vacuum you hear. So
Yeah.
wind up.
Yeah, you really, if you were by yourself, you just cut that pipe and do it from the inside and keep go checking out.
Doing a fine job on that, Ryan. Fine job. You should tell the boss you need a raise.
No watching.
You want Coke?
Do a match on this, match fresh haircut.
Oh, I
Yeah.
thought those other ones were Cokes. No, we can't do that. We still got work to do.